Now I've already had I already had some mangoes with that sauce, just that sauce on there, and oh, they were so good. Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Today we are going to make some mango shrimp skewers using the MOJO 360, and we're going to be making some Americanized Mexican street corn, and that's going to be a part 2 video. I hope you enjoy. Come on with me. I'll show you how we do this mango shrimp skewers. All right, so first off, I have here about a dozen or so already peeled shrimp, and I've had them sitting in this MOJO Marinade. This is a citrus, onion, and garlic marinade with a couple other stuff in it, but 0 calories. Can you see that, guys? 0 calories. And this stuff, the citrus in this is also good. And citrus on any seafood, I think, is fantastic. It gives it a nice, crisp bite to it. Anyhow, they've been sitting in my refrigerator in this sauce for about 3 hours. We're just going to put this to the side. I have here some sliced mangoes that I picked up at the store. We have an onion, and add a little color to the flavor. We have red, orange, and yellow peppers. Clear some of this stuff out of the way here. Let's do the peppers first. First I'm going to do, cut them up, pop out the innards. And all we're going to do is just slice them right down the middle. Like that. Like that. Slices that big. All right, peppers are done. We're going to go ahead and put them right in the marinade. Let them get all nice and happy. Give them a little bit, give them a little stir. That looks good already. All right, on to the next one. Let's do the onion. And all we're going to do with the onion, about that big. Onions are cut. Do is just break them up a little bit. Now you look at it, the shrimp is already starting to cook because of that citrus in there, which is what you want. If you don't think there's enough juice in there, not a problem. Add a little bit more. Let's get those mangoes. Now, what I'm going to do is, because they're so big, I just want to cut them in half. Citrus on top of citrus. All right, not going to bore you with that. We'll get a couple of these cut up. When we come back, we'll get them on the skewers. All right, guys, let's get the MOJO Q360 all set up here for you. First thing I'm going to do is crank it up. Make sure it's all cranked. I'm not going to bore you with that, though, because it takes about 40 turns on it. So, in 3, 2, 1. All right, just like that, all wound up. Now, guys, if you haven't picked up the MOJO Q360 yet, I'll leave a link for it in my Amazon in the description below. Since we're going to be using the skewers today, this is a skewer attachment that comes with it. How we're going to do this today? I'll try to do this today is we're going to take one onion, put an onion on there, take some shrimp, put some shrimp on there, take a pepper, take a piece of mango, piece of onion, piece of shrimp. I think you guys got the gist of it, how it's going to look. All right, so let's do this in super fast TV time. All right, just like that. First ones are done. Get them in the smoker. It is going to cook for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees. So let's get it done. Put them right on top of here. Turn it around so we have it the right way. That goes there. Turn on and let it go. We'll see when we're done. Alrighty, guys. Well, I think the shrimp skewers are done. Oh, yeah. Got some color on them. All right, guys. So we're going to take one of these out here and we're going to have a taste test, see how we did. Cheers, everyone. Bon appetit. Oh, that pepper, the shrimp, and then you get the nice tangy citrus right there on that. Oh, my God. Oh, so good. Juicy good. Smoked mango. Oh, my G. That is good. Smoked mango. Guys, I hope you try this one. I mean, wow. That mango, haha. Oh, yeah. That's fire there, man. That is good. That shrimp is perfect. Everything is cooked. Just perfect. All right, guys. Well, I'm not going to kill you with this. Make sure you stick around for part 2. when I show you the American style Mexican street corn. So next time, as always, God bless and happy eats.